This is Talking Baby. She's glueless. I can plickety plop her on and off. No problem, baby. It's a winner. Your girl is trying to chug down her protein shake. It is what it is. It's thick. I do it. So thank you so much for tuning in to this wig review. We are going to hop right into this. Of course, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Yes. And of course, drop me a comment down below. Listen, I think I have found my everyday lash because I am feeling the vibe on these right here. So these are by Huda Beauty in the style Noel number 14. They will be listed in my Amazon storefront. Definitely check it out because baby. Now we are going to go ahead and get into hopefully another winner chicken dinner by Beauty Forever. Yeah. Super freaky ow. So yeah, looking at this unit right off the bat, this is definitely giving me some Rick James vibes. And this is a 13x4 transparent lace unit, 18 inches on the length. I think I may trim it just a little bit. I want to do something really natural with this unit, so we are definitely going to put in some work. I think the texture feels really good. It's nice and soft. She's also full. Lace should not be a problem disguising because they are usually on point. So this is definitely brown girl friendly, baby. She's super freaking ow.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know.
Child, you ain't gotta tell me. We looking like a hot mess right now. So I did start off with my lace tint spray by Even New York. This is in the color medium dark brown. I use that for all of my units. And I go in with different products depending on how the lace behaves. Oh, I am gonna also go in with the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. This is really good, especially for the edges or the baby hairs, whatever you want to call it, on your units. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit of this Rapid Mousse and apply a little bit on my hand, and then we'll go right on these edges. And I'm really just gonna use my hands to make these look as messy and as natural as possible. So we'll have a little going down, a little swooped up into the hair, and look at that. Okay, just a little bit here. So I'm gonna push them up. Then bring a couple of them down. And I'll even make one like little curly one. Nice little curly wispy. I'll probably put this one up. setting lotion on both fingers. Going up with this hand, going down with this one. All right. I'll show this covered side in a minute. Then anytime they send these wrap bands, these lace melt bands, top tier, baby, top tier. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and use this. However, I am seeing just a little bit of a cast off, okay? Kind of giving me clockable vibes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. So, very quick fix. Use whatever you can use. However, for me, I am gonna go in with this brush right here. Nothing fancy, no particular name. It's just a fluffy makeup brush. I am gonna spray. Okay. And we're just gonna place right in that hairline. I'll place it over here. That is looking way better, baby. Yes, baby, yes. Okay, I'll put a little here, just in the hairline. A little here. I'll go in with a little bit more of the Nairobi spray just to smooth this out. Right on top of the hair. I'm not really too concerned about the hairline because, oh baby, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Okay, and we'll push this back a little bit more. And you can already see the difference. So this side compared to this side. And guess what? I'm ready for somebody's beach, okay? Puerto Vallarta, here I come. So listen, when it comes to the lace on this unit, one of the easiest units that I have ever installed on this channel, period. And guess what, baby? Oh yes, she's talking because she's 100% glueless. So I think that is definitely the selling point for this particular unit. You do not have to have any skills when it comes to gluing this down. You can definitely just put it on, really kind of finesse, or you know, play with the baby hairs like I did and create some really nice wispy natural edges. Okay, somebody's gonna look at you and they're gonna be like, damn, I think that might be all her. The edges on here, I wasn't really a fan of how they were looking out of the box. Okay, I think this comes together really nicely. Now for me on this particular channel, we keep it nice, messy, and wispy. If you want to do the swoopity swoop, swirly swirlies, go ahead, boo. Do you. Now I did give you two looks with the baby hair. So on this side I did keep it nice, wispy, kind of natural, messy, carefree. I did kind of go for a little bit more of an exaggerated look over here. I just kept them long, kept them in my face, and I think even with them looking like this, still gives you such a natural look, baby. I use this on my daughter's hair, and no lie, the hold is the absolute truth. It's not crunchy, it's not cast-offy, if that's even a word, but it gives you a nice, soft, subtle hold. Now, drying time from beginning to end, from including styling, maybe an hour, hour and a half, but I can take this unit off, gently put it back in the box, bring it out 2 months later, spritz it, and baby, we good to go. I definitely always encourage you, take the time to style your units. Once you style it the first time, you are good for a couple of wears. So this is definitely, baby, she's in the top, baby, because I'm feeling this. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. Now, comfortable cap fit on here, so it's a just fit, okay? This is talking, baby. She's glueless. I can pliggity plop her on and off, no problem, baby. It's a winner. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by Beauty Forever, direct link to this unit in the description box down below, as well as a direct link to their website. Definitely check them out. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Clickety click that subscribe button, ring the bell, and of course, drop me a comment down below. Share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.
I just wanna know.